Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the OpenRock Link 20 earbuds. Let's open up the box and see how they work. Here are the earbuds themselves in this nice carrying case. Comes in some instructions and user manuals. And then the USB-C cable to charge it. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. They are the world's first 2-in-1 open-ear earbuds with a detachable magnetic microphone. Whether you're grinding through meetings or hitting the trails, these buds are built to last. The Link 20 is ultra light at just 9 grams per earbud. And with a 6.9 degree ergonomic tilt and soft liquid silicone, it makes sure they stay comfortable even during long hours. The open ear design means they don't put pressure on your ear canals, and you stay aware of your surroundings, so they are perfect for outdoor runs or commuting to work. They have a 0.8 millimeter titanium wire with adaptive flexibility, which gives a stable fit across all ear shapes. And you can wear the mic on either ear, left or right, thanks to the seamless switching. The Link 20 packs a punch with a 30 milliwatt speaker that delivers headset level volume. Even in noisy environments, your calls and music come through loud and crystal clear. The detachable boom mic uses N54 grade magnets, protected by MagShield Fusion Tech. That means it's sweat and corrosion resistant and rated for over 10,000 snap-on cycles without losing performance. Plus, the 5 microphone array with AI-powered ENC cancels out 99.9% of ambient noise, achieving a whopping 58 decibels of noise reduction. That's serious clarity for calls, even in chaotic settings. It can last up to 13 hours of audio playback and a total of 28 hours when placed in the charging case. And with Bluetooth 6.0, it offers fast pairing and longer range transmission. And its dual device pairing lets you switch between your laptop and phone without missing a beat. The earbuds are also IPX7 waterproof, and the mic is IP55 rated for dust and water resistance. So whether you're sweating it out at the gym or caught in a downpour, the Link 20 won't flinch. And the OpenRock app adds even more value. You can get quick access to 3 sound modes with a single tap, from sport, meeting, and entertainment. And if you ever misplace your earbuds, you can just use the Find Device feature to make them emit a sound so you can easily find them. So the Link 20 isn't just another pair of earbuds, it's a hybrid tool for modern life. Whether it's Zoom calls, gaming with friends, or going out for a walk, it's a great value for anyone who wants versatility without compromise. And so yeah, definitely check out the OpenRock Link 20 earbuds today. And you can take a look in the link below. See you.